Kuro. Welcome back for another video. My girl and guys, what's papa locking, y'all? Today's video we are but in today's video we're gonna try out a new product. TGIN just dropped a new collection and I saw the mousse, okay, the stylings, the Miracle Styling Multi-Use Setting Foam. Okay, now I didn't read this before I bought it. A soft hold setting foam that moisturizes and delivers a radiant shine. That matters. I'm looking for a slightly stronger hold. So we're gonna see how this goes and flows. I missed that part. You gotta read fully, okay? So too, we cannot forget Christia, which is the founder of TGIN. She will always be remembered and missed. So I love the fact that they still have people running the company and they are coming out with cool collections. So we're gonna see how this one goes today. Now we're still gonna be honest. In today's video, we are going to do a perm rod set. Of course, that's the title of the video. And I will be using the pink perm rods again just because I really want to wear this hairstyle. Sometimes, you know, when I used to do videos, I would probably jump to another hairstyle like maybe a week or so later. I'm actually trying to make sure that this lasts 2 weeks. You know what I'm saying? 2 weeks. So we're gonna be doing that today. We're gonna start in the back as usual. Now I did finally get my trim. Your girl got her trim. I'm gonna add a little bit of water. Mix it. Let's look at how it comes out. Okay, not too, oh, it smells good. Not too runny or anything like that. Like, it smells really good actually. Y'all know I'm focused on the smell sometimes. I can still smell. You don't walk around with a funky head, do you? And that's just my question of the day. All right, I'm also on TikTok. Follow me on TikTok if you haven't. Link down below. Just a little bit of water. Not too much. Not too much. Two-strand twist that boy. You wanna know why I also probably would never do perm rod sets the regular way? Is because this gives so less tension on my edges and it will always be my favorite technique. Two-strand twisting first, especially on my edges, favorite thing ever. Or you can flat twist on your edges and then add the rod, but this is like the best way for me to do this. Because what I used to do and try to get so close to the scalp and struggling and hurting, I didn't like that. So it can definitely reminds you of a twist and curl, but because I'm leaving so much hair out than what a twist and curl is, a twist and curl technically should be all the way down, a full two-strand twist, and then add the rod. It's a way different look, like totally different. It's way more crinkled. At least that's what it should look like. So that's why I don't go all the way down. We just stop a little ways. Yeah, so that has been so helpful. Because that's why I used to struggle. I feel like I'm like trying to make it make sense. And I'm like, why don't I just combine the two? Or if it wasn't me that came up with it, to lose it, I think I got it from, if anything else, I got it from Style Queen Beauty. And that's on Instagram way back in the day. And started doing it like that because I'm like, who about to be struggling? Hey, first of all, on your scalp, can't sleep at night or even under the dryer, no ma'am. So that was like the best thing that I could ever really discover while trying to perfect a perm rod set. I mean, and at that time back in the day, that's the only thing that really worked for me because nothing else was really curling. Not for real. Don't overlap your hair. Roll up the rod at an angle so that you can have all that hair flat. Because the way you roll it is the way what? It's gonna come out. So we want to be very mindful of how it looks, making sure it fully dries. People really don't want to wait for this hair to dry. I don't understand. Also, too, people be putting too much product. In my opinion, I'm not a professional. Mousse is enough. Mousse holds its own. Once again, this is what works for my hair. And if your hair doesn't fall back down right, just you may be twirling it the wrong direction. So just twirl it the opposite way. If you feel like, girl, that look weird, just twirl it the opposite way. So for example, if I twirl it this way, hold on, was that not a good example? Okay, this way. You see how I did that? Oh wow, you didn't see nothing. So if I twirl it this way, it's doing something weird. What is that? But if I twirl it the opposite way, ooh, come on now. If I twirl it the opposite way, now it bounced back down. So that is another helpful indicator if you are going in the right direction or not when you are taking down your perm rod curls, you know? because it's time to go. All right, so we are just about done. In this stage, I like to actually stretch my hair. Alright, so stretch this one out way too much. I'm gonna just put it on a rod with a little, when I say a little bit of water in my hair, a little bit of water. Just a little bit of water. Now we're gonna do a test. So this video is not over. We're gonna do a test. We're gonna see how it goes and flows outside. And then I will show y'all when I get back. Let's try to look past the rod. It feels good, super light. The hair is looking good. Do you see the curls? One. Looks good. We got the length we want. We're looking cute, kind of. I'm gonna take y'all with me because we need to see if this is gonna last, especially in this humidity. Like, how's it gonna go? It's okay if it swells up a little bit, maybe just a little bit, but not too much. Take your time. All right, let's go. What I forgot to do was actually add the Mizani humidity resistant mist. I guess the hold on this is one. Well, not I guess, it is. What? This is it right here. And we're just going to spray my hair like that. Just a little extra reassurance. Okay, totally forgot to do that. This right here. Okay, gotta go. Bye.
Temporary breeze.
Ladies, it lasted as much as it could, and now we're in the rain.
It's the rain. Oh, it's the real rain.